Dear students, welcome back to online learning of subject Geography. Today we are going to study Geography chapter number 6, Natural Regions. What is natural region? A natural region is basic geographic unit. Usually it is a region which is distinguished by its common natural features of geography, geology and climate. From the ecological point of view, the naturally occurring flora and fauna, flora means plants and fauna means animals, of the region are likely to be influenced by its geographical and geological factors, such as soil and water availability, in a significant manner. Thus, most natural regions are homogeneous ecosystems. Human impact can be an important factor in the shaping and destiny of a particular natural region. So let us try to understand their distribution with the help of maps, pictures and tables. Tundra region. Tundra region is located between 65° to 90° parallels, extent in Greenland, North Canada, North Asia and North Europe. Mean summer temperature is 10 degrees Celsius and winter temperature is -20 to -30 degrees Celsius. Mean annual rainfall is 25 to 300 millimeters. Here climate is very cold. Vegetation is short-lived. Short grass, small shrubs, flowers, lichen, moss, etc. are found here. Animals have soft and thick fur. Reindeer, polar bear, foxes, etc. are found here. Hunting and fishing is the main occupation of the people. Houses are made up of animal hides. Igloos are built from snow and ice. A vehicle used for traveling over snow or ice is called sledges. So here sledges are also used. Eskimo people live here. People have tough life and population distribution is highly sparse. Taiga region. Taiga region is located between 55° and 65° north parallels from Alaska to the Atlantic coast and parts of Eurasia. Here mean summer temperature is 15° to 20° Celsius. Winter temperature is below 10 degrees Celsius. Mean annual rainfall between 300 and 500 millimeters. It rains in summer and snowfall in winter. Coniferous forests are found here. Leaves are narrow, pointed. Branches are leaning towards the ground. Wood is light and soft. Spruce, fir, pine, redwood, etc. are the trees found here. Animals have soft and thick fur. Mink, bear, silver fox, elk are found here. Here population is less. Lumbering and hunting are the major occupation of the people. Few agrarian activities takes place. Grasslands Southern type. These grasslands are located between 5° to 20° north and south parallels in both the hemispheres. These grasslands are called with different names in different countries, like savanna in Africa, Queensland in Australia, parkland in Africa, llanos and campus in South America and other grasslands. Summer temperature is around 35 degrees Celsius and winter temperature is around 24 degrees Celsius. Rainfall around 250 to 1000 millimeters. Here summer is hot and humid and winters are warm and dry. Tall and thick grass area found here. Height of grass around 6 meters, called elephant grass. Trees are rare and have umbrella-like canopy. For example, pineapple, cactus, etc. Large number of herbivores and carnivorous animals are found here, like giraffe, zebra, lion, cheetah, etc. Here houses are simple with mud walls and thatch roof without windows. Hunting and rearing is the main occupation of the people. Main tribes include Zulu, Hausa, Maasai, etc. Hot desert regions. These regions are located between 20° to 30° north and south parallels. These regions are found in the western part of continents Sahara in North Africa, Kalahari in South Africa, Colorado in North America, Atacama in South America, Thar in Asia, etc. Mean summer temperature is 30° to 45° Celsius. Winter temperature is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Here heat is tremendous and rainfall is very low and nights are very cold. In this region, thorny bushes with hardly any leaves are found here. Leaves are narrow, oily and have thick bark. Once the moisture in soil is consumed, plants die. Examples are cactus, sisal, date palm, palm, etc. Camels survive for days without water. The animals live inside the ground during daytime. For example, snakes, lizards, etc. Agriculture is confined to river valley and oases. Most of the needs get fulfilled through animals. Bedouins in Sahara, Bushmen in Kalahari are the tribes live here. Grassland, steppes and prairies. These grasslands are located between 30° to 55° north and south parallels in the interior part of the continents. These grasslands are called with different names in different countries, like steppes in Eurasia, Vales in Africa, pampas in South America, prairies in North America, downs in Australia. Here summer temperature is around 27 degrees Celsius, winter temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius. Mean annual rainfall is 400 to 600 millimeters. Here rainfall is during summer. Extensive grasslands are seen here. Short grasses growing in lumps. Grass gets dried up in winter. Elder, poplar trees are found here. Wildlife includes deer, horses, dogs, wolves, etc. Rearing animal is the main occupation of the people here. Earlier people had a nomadic life like Kyrgyz. Now they stay in well-built houses.